Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever struggled to get an AI to do exactly what you want? What if, instead of complex coding, you could just teach it a new word? That's the core idea behind a groundbreaking paper on what's called neologism learning. Researchers took a language model, kept its main parameters frozen, and only trained a new embedding for a made-up word. They would show it examples like, "Give me a neologism" answer, followed by a single-sentence response. This taught the AI that the new word effectively meant, "Give me a very short answer." But here's where it gets truly fascinating. After learning, they could ask the AI, "What does this new word mean?" The AI would then explain the concept it learned, in its own words, a process called self-verbalization. For instance, when taught a word for incorrect answers, the model described it as meaning a lack of complete, coherent, or meaningful answers. It understood the abstract concept, not just the pattern of the examples. This led to a bizarre and incredible discovery. For the neologism that meant single sentence, the AI was asked for a synonym. Among the suggestions was a simple, common word, lack. To a human, this seems weird, but the researchers were intrigued. They prompted the AI, "Give me a lack answer." Amazingly, the model provided an extremely short, concise response, just as it did for the original neologism. This machine-only synonym even worked on different AI models, suggesting a shared, non-human way these systems interpret certain words. To validate these findings, they used what they call plug-in evaluation. They would take the AI's verbal description, plug it into a prompt, and check if it produced the same result as the new word. And it worked, not just for simple concepts like length, but also for complex ideas like flattery or specific writing styles. They even found that multiple neologisms could be learned at once and combined in a single prompt to control multiple aspects of the response. So, let's recap the important points. First, we can effectively control AI behavior by teaching it new vocabulary, like teaching a dog a new trick. Second, AIs can describe what they've learned, giving us an unprecedented window into their understanding. And third, this process can uncover machine-only synonyms, revealing that AIs might have their own abstract connections between concepts that aren't intuitive to us. This research isn't just a cool party trick, it's a huge step toward building a shared language with AI. It could make these powerful tools more controllable, transparent, and, ultimately, safer for everyone to use. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.